Alrighty guys, this will be the elevator here at Menards, here in Merrillville, Indiana. You can see, this is where the new elevator concrete block is. Again, Abell. Those are wonderful.
You ready?
Yep. Let's take her up to 2. That scared the crap out of me. This is crazy. This is like where, you see, they put new wood down, and where this is old wood, that's new wood down there, so you can tell where the old versus new is. Let's call it back down.
Back down?
Yeah. And we just lost it. Because it just...
How you doing? Alright.
There might be somebody on it. Greg, I'm just telling you, there might be somebody on it.
Oh yeah, probably. You're probably right.
Seems somebody in with the cards or something like that.
Jeremy, pick up on 206, thank you.
Yep. It rang twice, it's weird. This elevator's weird.
Hey.
You got a very nice elevator here. It's pretty standard for Menards. Guess what kind of rents we have? Innovation Universal.
Good job, my brother. Good job, my brother.
Want to go up again?
No, once is enough.
Okay. Yeah.
Just keep going.
Yep. There's a mezzanine mat though too. It's good to see every Menards with an elevator has that. There it goes. And I guess that is gonna be it.